And by grouping the data, we can do even more stuff. But here's an interesting thing that we can do. So we want to find out if there's a pattern here where people who are older have a higher number of pets. So if I say, let's just do this. Actually, let's just get straight to it. Print df group by age, and we're going to show pets, and we want to know the mean of those. Okay, so what I've just said here is I want to print from this data set, I want to group by age. So that means all of the 64-year-olds, we're going to take them. We're going to look at the pets column for all the 64-year-olds right here, and we're going to average those. So it comes up with one number. Then we're going to take the 63-year-olds, we'll do the same thing. So it's going to give us now a mean for each one of those. And now we can see if there is indeed a pattern. Now I can tell you that this data set was specifically to be built to have no real patterns in it. But if there was a pattern, we would certainly see it here. And maybe there are some patterns, right? We're looking at these young people, like the 22-year-olds have a lot of pets. The 32-year-olds have a lot of pets. The 48-year-olds have a lot of pets, which is interesting, maybe. Maybe we could come up with some reasons for that or talk about the story there. But that is a different way. Maybe there's a pattern by state, right? So if we look at different states, Hawaii, Massachusetts, what's ME? What is it? Yeah, it is. I think so. Maine. So some Tennessee, I don't know. Uh, this would be interesting visualized, right? If we had a map of the United States and we had each state colored in like a different color, we could maybe see like, is there a geographical pattern there? So there's a lot of stuff you can do with data that's really kind of interesting. Even if the data itself is just kind of like whatever, like honestly, I don't really care about how many pets people have, but I'm already kind of curious about this data.